Hi guys, my name is Mpampa Pudi, also known as the Modern Financial Advisor, and today we're going to be taking it back to the fundamentals of financial planning. What is financial planning? What does it consist of? And what does a financial plan actually look like, right? So previously I did a video where I was talking about your money personalities and understanding and identifying your money personalities. And I got comments where people were talking about how they are savers and they want to change to be investors. Others are investors and they actually want to grow their investment portfolios and explore other options. But I just want to take it back to basics and understand why each and every person has to have a financial plan, right? So the whole purpose of financial planning or having a financial plan is to achieve financial freedom, right? So what are the tools or the products that you need in place in order for you to achieve the desired financial freedom? Number one, we will start by protecting your wealth, right? And by protecting your wealth, I'm not talking about the dividends or the interest that you've earned from your investments and all that. Protecting your source of wealth, whether it's your salary, whether it's money from your business that you pay yourself, for freelancers, the invoices, and the money that you earn each and every month, every day, or every week, right? So what are the products that you need to have in place in order for you to protect your wealth? Number one is medical aid or medical insurance. Very, very important, because as much as we have emergency funds for any emergencies that might happen, a medical emergency sometimes can set you off like really, really bad should you encounter one. So having medical aid or medical insurance is very important in the event that you have a medical emergency, because you don't plan these things. You don't wake up tomorrow and plan to be sick. I don't know how many times I've caught flu in the past 2 years, and I used to think that I've got a very strong immune system, I don't catch flu easily and all that, and I told myself that I would never ever have to go to the doctor because of flu. But in the past 2 years, I've been to the doctor so many times just for flu than I ever imagined. So it is important to have medical aid or medical insurance in the event that you have a medical emergency. Number two is life insurance. If you are employed, you have a child, or you are the breadwinner at home, you have people that you are taking care of, it is important to have life insurance. Life insurance is for the event that you pass on and your dependents or your children are not disrupted in the way that they were living while you were still alive. So life insurance ensures that you can still provide for your family even after your death, especially if you are the breadwinner or you have financial dependents or people that depend on your income every month, right? And another important product that can be attached to a life insurance is disability cover and dread disease cover. For young people, I would actually say that disability cover is more important than having dread disease cover. Not saying that dread disease cover is less important, but then it's important to have both. But then if you are younger, you go to work every day, you are more likely to be involved in an accident. You're more likely to be injured at work, for those of you who work in construction or who work in environments that could actually endanger your life, and you could possibly become disabled from being in that workplace, right? So it's important for you to have disability cover in the event that you become disabled, because the purpose of having disability cover is that, imagine you are disabled and then you can't earn your income, or you can't earn a salary because of this disability, or you cannot work or do the same job that you were able to do while you were able, and now you are maybe forced to sit in the office and be an admin clerk or do filing or whatever light job that you can do. That will result in a loss of income or your salary being cut. So disability cover will then help you pay for whatever expenses or debts that you might have incurred during that period. and to make your life easier, to make it easier for you to deal with your disability. And then you've got short-term insurance. Number 3 being short-term insurance. So short-term insurance is your car insurance, insurance for your house, the building, insurance for your household contents, insurance for your portable possessions. So your portable possessions are your cell phone, your laptop, your jewelry, whatever valuable items that you might have that can cost you a lot of money to replace, right? This is why we insure our products, because even if you have a very strong emergency fund, it's not sitting there for you to always replace your phone when you lose it, replace your laptop when you lose it, replace your TV when you lose it, and all that. So it's important to have these products in place in order to protect your wealth or to protect your financial means. And then we move on to the second stage, being wealth creation. Now, when we're creating wealth, we are then looking at investment opportunities or platforms that can help us grow the means of, or that can help us grow the income that we earn every month. So that can be an investment through an investment company or a financial institution. That's your investments through your banks, a tax-free savings account or tax-free investment. It's a favorite for everybody. I mean, if you don't have a tax-free savings account right now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Probably haven't even spoken to me. So if you don't have a tax-free savings account in place, let us arrange a setting and let's see how we can plug you with that. But it's important to then explore different investment options. Another investment could be starting a business that can make you some money, having a side hustle, investing into property, or whatever investment tool that you feel you are comfortable with, and whatever investment tool that you feel aligns with your money personality, right? And once all that is done, Bob's your uncle, you've achieved financial freedom. So whatever financial freedom looks like for you, some want to buy a house cash, some want to buy a car cash, some want to be able to travel whenever they want to, some people want to be able to spend money whenever they want to, some people want to be able to retire whenever they want to retire as well. And talking about retirement, actually taking it back to wealth creation, you're also looking at saving money for your for your retirement. So you're looking at a retirement annuity, you're looking at a pension or a provident fund for those who are employed, and your employer provides those benefits for you. So while you're looking at your financial plan, please consider all those points and make sure that your wealth is protected before you create. And if you don't know how to do that, speak to your financial advisor. If you don't have a financial advisor, do link up with me, send me a message on my DMs, or I'm not gonna give out my number, but you can just send me a direct message and we can arrange a one-on-one sitting, and let's see how we can make your financial plan glow.